This is a 2004 Chevy Blazer. I'm gonna take this 7mm or 9/32 off. There's two of them, and then actually this I'm gonna take all four of them. That's fine. That's a hard to reach. I might not try to do that, so I'm gonna pull it down a little bit right there, and then you're gonna see two more right there, one to the left of the steering wheel and the other one to the right there. Right there. Take that off. Now once you got the two out, you're gonna pull it right there. Start from there, and then you're gonna have another one right there on the top. Here. Take that out. Like that. You're gonna have to put the key, turn on position, and shift the down, and then take this up. But you got a two plug right here. You gotta take the plug behind here and this plug behind here out. There, like that. Go to shifter. This thing the brake doesn't really work, so I'm coming back over here, and this should be probably better to pop this out like that, and then pull the wire out like this, like that. Push it from the behind, and then you see it better right there. All you do is push this thing in and pull it out. Now with this clip, sometimes if you can't push your fingernail through the clip right there, use a flathead and push this thing down and pull it out. Now when you pop this four-wheel drive switch right here down, out, you're gonna have to lift this thing up and then pull it out. And the blue one, you take a flathead and push this clip down just like the other one. Alright, now you take a 7mm, three of them out. And then pull it straight out. Ooh, what is down in here? Huh. So now you're gonna take the antenna out, pick it up, and then push this two in like this and pull it out. You only need two. Now running the RCA jack wires and remote wires a little bit challenge on this little truck right there. So I put flash the light down here from the radio, and there's a hole right here, right there on this side right there. You can run it right there, so I'll go up this way right here. The antenna that I'm running for the radio is a ADGM1. That's ADGM1. That's a small to the big. Here is the wiring harness. The cheaper version of the harness is called RAP-GM-4003 and made by the Raptor. Put the antenna in. Clicked it. Now since I'm installing the Pioneer right here, this Pioneer, the model number would be AVH-X2800BS. That's got a DVD player, so I'm gonna use a bypass. The bypass is made by Axis. It's a universal fit bypass trigger. It's the model number is AXTRIG. How I'm hooked up is the green wire is going to the light green of from the radio, and you don't hook up the yellow. Yellow is for Alpine. The black wire go to the ground, tap it to the ground, and then the blue wire go with the remote wire right there. I'm hooking up the remote wire and the amp remote wire to the blue and white wire from the radio right there, blue and white. So far everything working. I'm gonna try the DVD, see if that AXTOIG working or not. Now I'm gonna put the DVD in here and see if that trigger is gonna work. It's gonna trigger the DVD. CD might not be good CD. It's a lot of scratch. Oh. I think it works. That trigger works. CD is pretty bad, pretty rough, scratched up. I'm installing this the double den radio using the 95 2001 made by Metra. Come like this. You're gonna need a screw, so basically put it like this side, like that, and this side, and each one of them's got a right and left. This gonna be go to the right, this one go to the left. Once you got it all in like so, you just drop it in the radio like that, and it's gonna fit just right here like that. See that? You got left and then you got right side. You don't want to use this long of a screw. This is almost this is a little bit over half an inch. You don't want to use that long because look inside right there, it's less than half. So if you use this, you're gonna damage something in the radio. So you want to use something really short, like this is good right there. This is a little bit more than 1/4 of an inch. Everything plugged. I got the mic plugs for the Bluetooth. The wires already plugged, and the RCA jack I'm plugged it to the subwoofer SWR right there. One thing I want to tell you is that that clip right there in the back for this car is gonna get in the way. So usually I break them using a plier or a snipper or oscillating tool. Cut that plastic out. If not, it's gonna hit the back of this right here and it won't go in all the way. What I mean by that is I'll show you. I mean right now it's going easy because I cut it out. If not, it's gonna stop right here and then you're gonna try to force it and damage something else. So you wanna make sure that's all cut off. See, they go in easy right there. You want it to be like that on both sides. So now I'm gonna make sure everything is work perfectly fine, and then I'll screw everything back.